It's a beautiful day and currently I am outside the city of Milan and I am here at the beautiful small community of Caponago, which is located at the heart of Monza. Follow me as we are going to breathe some fresh air from this beautiful farm. It's so refreshing to get away from the bustling, busy life of the city, and I was luckily to landed and get a job for this summer, and I was hired by one of the richest family of community of Vimercate, which is located in Monza, which is just 45 to 1 hour by train station from Milan. And I'm working every night, full week, Monday to Sunday, and I was doing for taking care of older woman, which is 96 years old. So today I have a free day to explore their very beautiful farm, so I feel like I'm home because, as you know, I came from a farmer family. My father owns a farm as well, so it's like I feel like home. So let's go. Let me show you what else we can see on this beautiful villa, and later on we will be doing a photo shoot as well, because as you know, my video is incomplete without any photo shoot. So come on guys, let's explore this farm. So this is the whole area of their farm, and as you can see, that house, that area is where we are staying for the whole summer, and later on I'll be taking you inside the villa. So let's just explore the neighborhood so that we will see what are the places that can be seen in this small community. On the side, this is the farm. So all of it, all this farm, as you can see, it was owned by one family also, one family only. As you can see, this is the main road of Monza and Brianza, connecting to the other city of Italy. Wow, this is amazing. This is a very beautiful view. Ito yung matagal ko nang hinahanap na ano, yung alam mo yung mga naro-roll na yan. Gusto ko mag-picture dyan, kaya lang hindi ko kasi alam kung allowed akong mag-ano, kasi this is a private property actually, so baka mamaya pag bigla akong umapak dyan, bigla akong barilin, alam mo yun. So we'll see. Sana maka-stock ako na makagawa man lang ng isang photo dun. So beautiful. Actually, para akong nasa Pilipinas lang. I miss Philippines with this kind of view. For a long time, finally nahanap ko rin ang itong mga naka-roll na to, kasi na-amaze lang talaga ako. I just want to create a beautiful photos na background ito, and fortunately, though this is a private farm, it's Sunday, so walang tao dito, so I sneak in the farm and I was able to get some photos. I don't know if it's not good, it's not what I wanted, pero wala tayong choice kasi mag-isa ako and walang magpipicture sa akin, so I could not create a good photo. So happy lang ako nung nagkaroon ako ng souvenir dito. So let's go home before somebody will going to quote us here. So see you later. After exploring the nearby places of this villa, it's time for me to just sneak Tuscany only offers the sunflower views, and hopefully this community, since it is an agriculture, I hope that there is a sunflower farm that is near here. So we're going to explore more while we are working and while we are having a vacation. So once again, this is Jopay. Thank you to all of you, my Jopay Milia. I'll see you next time and have a good day.